Alright guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's giveaway video. So before I start giving away things, I wanted to share and talk about a little bit about me. And these are the shirts from the last row. Thank you so much once again for each and every one of you who support my merch. Look at this, all this. This is a Datsun 620 and this is the RX3, and this is going to be the next row. Let's not talk about this first. Let's get started about what I wanted to share today's video. Please don't skip this video because what I share is something I never share and I wanted to tell some story. It is a story time, so let's start now. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel and don't know who am I, some of you might know me and some of you here, you are watching this video but don't know me. Let me introduce myself. My name is Elvis Junior Teo and this year I'm 18 years old and I'm turning 19 the next week. So I'm still a college student. Basically I'm still a student and I don't have work. I'm just a student. And now let's go to the part why I started my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is actually started from 2014, which is the age of 13, which I am a Form 1 student. I was still 13 years old and I am into cars. So a lot of you asking me, you're still so young, how can you get so many cars? Let me tell you, actually my dad is an old school car lover, and then when I was 13, we actually bought a car, KP30, which is my first car, but I sold it already since it was with a 4AG engine. It was a AE86 engine. That car is the starting of everything, and after that we bought the pickup, rebuilding this old car together, both father and son building the old cars. I actually started my channel in 2014, but I was so shy. If you look back to my videos, you can click my channel now and then you look back all my videos, it is about cars. I just shoot the car, I exactly shoot the car, and without my face, without my voice, just cars and music. But during last year December, I suddenly have the thought to start my YouTube channel back, become a YouTuber, a so-called YouTuber, which is include my face, because I think I want to do this. So the purpose of me starting the YouTube channel is actually I wanted to show people how my happiness, my passionate about the cars, and I guess there is a lot of you out there who are into car and you're watching this video, and I just wanted to share. I know some of you might say that I start my YouTube channel, I just want to earn money. Let me tell you and let me show you my revenue, which is RM0. I didn't earn any money from YouTube because it is not easy to monetize your video. You have to hit certain rules like 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hour, and I just never go and I want to make money, No, this is not the purpose of me starting my YouTube. Even though there is no money inside my YouTube, I still making it until today. I still doing videos every week, every month, and I already show you my revenue, which is 0. And yes, I did put a little hope that my YouTube can make some money. It's not about getting rich or getting big, but I mean, we as a YouTuber, especially car YouTuber, car guy YouTuber, we use our money to build the car with our time, and those parts actually we need money to build it. I never think of want to be rich, but I just hope that one day my channel will get monetized so I can get the money to build the cars and then produce the video for you guys, and then when you guys watch the video, I'm making money and I buy new parts and then make a video again, so it's like repeat and repeat. I just hope someday YouTube can pay me a little. So what is the dream and what kind of YouTuber I want to be, and what is the dream? Actually, I want to be a old school car guy channel. I wanted to be the first old school car guy YouTuber because I guess until now I never see a channel building old car in Malaysia. Not only Malaysia but around the world. And all car guys and car guys is actually different. Car guy is they buy a new car and then they put in a new wheels, put in a new engine, but without doing all this, the car is still running. But all car guy, we actually have to rebuild everything, the engine, the body, the rims, the suspension. Without building all this, our car will not run. You know, old car is like abandoned in somewhere sitting down without engines, but we have to rebuild all this. We turn the rusty metal into something, and it is different between a new car guy and old car guy. If you talk about car guy YouTuber, if you know Eliminate Randy Truong, and then Randy Truong, he started his channel 3 years ago, I guess, and all the car is like JDM Japanese type. And then the second one we have Adam LZ, which is also JDM at first, but it turns to be drifting channel. So I just want to be different, and I think I want to be old school YouTuber, which is restoring old car, and then I want to build this old school car restoration rebuilding channel around the world. My goal now is only in Malaysia, but I see some of my audience is from Australia, United States, Thailand, and I guess I'm gonna put more effort in it and share my videos all around the world. I want to share the tricks, the tips of building old car like in detail. So that is my dream. And the last part I wanted to talk about is No Limit. So No Limit is actually my brand, which I just started 1 month ago, I think. And this No Limit, what does it mean? It means we car guy, our love towards the car, our passionate towards the car has no limit. So I created this No Limit. Is like expressing our car guy feeling toward the car. The love is like no limit. The Japanese word down there is actually my surname, which is Teo. Teo is my surname, and that means that No Limit was created by Teo, founded by me, which is Teo. Okay, so now is the time for the giveaway rules. Okay, so how to win my giveaway is you have to do 4 steps. Okay, first step for sure. First step, you have to subscribe to my channel, and then the second step, you have to like this video, and then the third step, you have to comment down below among all my videos which one is your favorite and why it is your favorite, and then you drop your social media username, your Facebook username or your Instagram username, or you can even drop your phone number. And then the fourth step is you have to share my videos to your social media, which is you find this button and you click it, and then you copy the link, and then you can paste on your Facebook wall, and then you can post on your Instagram. Maybe you can tag your friend and then share this video out so that other people can join my giveaway. So for now, this is my first time doing the giveaway, and I'm giving away my merch. If you are chosen, you have to contact me as soon as possible, as fast as possible, and then you have to PM me or DM me the design you want, which is we have RX-3, Datsun 620, and KE35 Corolla. So among these 3 designs for now, you have to choose one of it, and then your size, and then the t-shirt color you want. So that is about my giveaway today. So if you want to win a giveaway, just simply do this 4 steps, which is subscribe, like, comment, and then share this video out so all of you can join this giveaway. And I'm really thankful, and I can't believe I have hit 600, because that is not a small amount, that is a very huge amount. I wanted to say thank you for each and every one of you who support me from 0 until right now. So my next target is hitting 1000 subscribers. So without your help, without your support, I'm nothing. So I want to say thank you so much, and this giveaway is for appreciation gift for all of you guys who support me. I hope you guys can join this giveaway. So quick, go down, subscribe, like, and comment, and share my videos. See you guys next video.